Linux, the design came from a great mind, and that great mind was not mine. I mean, you have to give credit for the design of Linux to Kernighan and Ritchie and Thompson. I mean, there's a reason I like Unix and why I wanted to redo it. I do want to say that Git is a design that is mine and unique, and I'm proud of the fact that I can damn well also do a good design from scratch. Okay,
yeah.
Now you can go.
What's the latest accidental theme that you work with?
I may have to come back to that because I can't. Right. Yeah. I mean, we've had a lot of stuff that was accidental. I mean, the fact that, for example, that we do fairly well in cell phones, and that multi-core in cell phones is actually important now, and we're really good at it, was an accidental result of the fact that we happened to do supercomputers 10 years ago. So there's those kinds of accidents that happen that are accidents because different people work on different kind of projects, and it turns out that 5 years after the fact, there were actually things that connected them that nobody ever saw coming, right? And that's been a huge success of Linux, and I think that's interesting from a technical standpoint, how important it has been for Linux to actually have one single kernel for every single device out there. I don't think people, and I didn't actually think it would be possible, but if you look at every single other operating system out there ever, nobody has ever done that before. Look at Apple. They have separate operating systems for their low-end devices and their high-end devices. Look at Microsoft, same thing. They're claiming that they're trying to merge them in Windows 8. They're lying. They're not. They're full of shit. But Linux is, no, but, and it turns out we did it because I actually care about beauty, and it turns out it was nicer to do it the way Linux did it. And it's a unique thing in Linux, and it's a big strength, because it turns out there's often these kinds of accidental technical connections that people didn't believe in at the time, but then things changed, and now cell phones have the same issues that supercomputers have. I come from a background where even when I started Linux, I was 21 years old, and I had basically programming half my life at that point. So I was in the situation where programming was a hobby, but it was almost a habit, that I had made some bad mistakes at times and bought some odd computers that were not very well supported. And as a result of that, I had gotten very used to the fact that you can't even buy ready-made programs. You have to write them yourself.